So here's our parallelogram that's not square. How do we bring that back to where all four corners are right triangles? All four corners are 90 degrees. Well, we use Pythagorean theorem. We know that this is 10 feet here. We know that this is 10 feet here. Because it's a 10-foot square foundation, we know that the other ones are 10 feet as well. So we do a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared. Now you have to define which is a, b, and c. Now remember, a and b doesn't matter. You can just tell it whichever leg. I'm going to say this is my favorite leg for a, and this is my favorite leg for b. They're both 10, so it doesn't really matter in this example, but you do have to assign a and b to a leg. Any leg doesn't matter. C matters. This hypotenuse has to be c. Legs don't matter, hypotenuse does matter. So a squared is 10 squared plus b squared is 10 squared equals c squared. Remember, step number 1 is square your legs. Done. Step number 2, add those together. 10 squared is 100, 100 plus 100 is 200. It's equal to c squared. Step number 3, take the square root of your answer. Square root of 200. So I get my calculator and I take the square root of 200 and I get c is equal to 14 feet, 0.142. So our diagonal is 14.142 feet. Again, we want to have a measurement to give that you can pull with the tape. So we want to convert this over to fractions. So 0.142 times 12 turns that into inches. So we're at 14 feet, 1.704. That's not quite 3/4. I would just convert that to 11/16, which is 0.6875. So you're really close to that 0.7. So I'd say 14 feet, 1 and 11/16 inches. That is going to be the measurement that you get when you measure from here to here and you have both legs 10 feet. This middle is going to be 14 feet, 1 foot, and 11/16 inches. So when you roll up to the layout, you set the single pin and you tell your helper, we need one leg at 10 feet, we need another leg at 10 feet, and we need the diagonal to be 14 feet, 1 inch, and 11/16. And you can lay out this whole half of your foundation with just a couple of tape measures and either a few pins or a helper, and then you mirror it on the other side and you know that you're exactly square.